When it comes to cooking, I'm always looking for recipes that are healthy and easy to make. Simple and nutritious is my motto in the kitchen. Today, I'm sharing 4 easy green smoothie recipes I like to make to stay healthy. These smoothies are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. They're perfect for busy mornings or as a quick snack during the day. I'm starting off strong with a powerful cleansing green smoothie. It's full of nutritious ingredients that help to boost the immune system and help the body detox. I especially like having this after a weekend of overindulging or when I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. For this, you'll need 1 green apple, half of a cucumber, 1 celery stalk, a little bit of cilantro and parsley, a handful of spinach, the juice of a lime, and half a cup of water to blend everything together. And this is completely optional, but I also like to add a dash of cinnamon, cayenne, and turmeric, which are all spices that will take the healing and detox benefits of the smoothie to another level. I'm also adding a pinch of black pepper to help the body absorb the turmeric better. Blend everything until you have a smooth consistency, and this super cleansing, nutritious green smoothie is ready to enjoy. The next smoothie is one I like to make when I'm looking for a quick healthy breakfast to refuel my body after a workout. For this, I use half a cup of milk, a scoop of vanilla protein powder to help the body repair and recover, a handful of greens, a banana for a bit of sweetness, and a tablespoon of almond butter. The combination of these ingredients creates an incredibly velvety and filling smoothie that gives my body a much needed energy boost after a workout. This is what I like to call a creamy tropical green smoothie. And it only has 4 very simple ingredients. First, we have mango, which adds a natural sweetness and gives the smoothie a delicious flavor. But I'd say the star ingredient in this smoothie is avocado. It's full of healthy fats, which makes the smoothie very filling, and it gives it that creamy texture. For my greens, I like to use a combination of spinach and kale, and to blend everything together, I use coconut water. This is high in electrolytes, so it helps to balance the body and keep it hydrated. Together, these ingredients create a smoothie that is full of flavor, nutrients, and makes for a great healthy snack. I'm going to share one of my favorite green smoothie recipes that I've been making for years. It includes one of my favorite fruits, pineapple. I love adding pineapple to smoothies because it not only makes it taste delicious, but it also helps to balance out any bitterness that's often found in leafy greens like kale. I use about 2 cups of fresh pineapple as the base of the smoothie. This gives it a sweet and tropical flavor that I really enjoy. Next, I add in a handful of fresh kale, which is packed with nutrients like vitamin K and calcium. To add a little bit of spice to this smoothie, I also put in a small piece of ginger, half of a cucumber for added hydration. I squeeze in the juice of a lime, and then I add half a cup of water to help everything blend together smoothly. Once it's ready, I pour this into a glass and enjoy it as a healthy and delicious snack or breakfast. I hope you give these recipes a try and enjoy them as much as I do. And if you're looking for more easy, healthy recipes that don't take a lot of time to make, I'll have my recipes playlist linked on the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.